So today I'm going to be reviewing the Besign LSX3 adjustable laptop stand. So when you open the box, you'll find the manual. You have 6 screws and you have the monkey wrench, the adjuster, the table, the table holder part of the stand, and then the laptop part of the stand. So the first thing you want to do is take the adjuster and you want to take the base section and connect it. Make sure that the screw goes into the hole like this. Once it has connected, you want to also make sure that the knob faces outwardly right over here and not inwardly. So next, what you do is you're going to flip it around. Once you flipped it around, you see you have 2 screws that you can add in here. So we're going to put the 2 screws gently in the hole. Once you've put them in there, the next thing you want to do is you want to get your wrench. I'm going to take the wrench and I'm going to use it to screw everything in place. Just take it and just screw everything in place like that. Very, very easy. And lock it in tight and repeat the same thing on the other side. So once this is done, you're going to flip it over and get the laptop stand section. So for the laptop stand section, you're going to turn it this way. You're going to make sure it connects. So all these knobs and screws, you're going to make sure that it fits directly into the hole. So once it fits into the hole, all you need to do now is you have to take the screws, position the screws in there, and then secure the screws with your wrench. So 2 spare, don't worry, it's okay. So now that everything has been tightened, I can adjust the stand accordingly. So the way that you adjust the stand is you're gonna take the knob, turn the knob, and with the knob being turned, you can loosen it up and it can adjust the stand to the height that you want. So you can see how my laptop sits really well on it. It's very durable. You can extend it as I showed you, and the laptop is not slipping because it has these guards to protect it, and this is not moving because it has that adhesive base, the rubber, to keep it sturdy. So this is a sturdy, very durable, very lovely. I can open up my laptop and I can use it the way I normally use it, and it feels so good. So this is the maximum height of it, and then if I want to reduce the height, I just turn the knob, and this is a lower height of it, and it's very nice. I absolutely love this. This is amazing.